Okay, so I'm in my Nissan Maxima. It's a 2007. And I literally looked all over the internet to try and find where the fuse box was, and there was not a video explaining it. So I am going to show y'all where the fuse boxes are in a 2007 Nissan Altima. So here's the motor. Here's the battery. Here's one of the fuse boxes. You just lift it up like this, and that's a diagram of what it is. And like, I know there's some missing, but they're supposed to be, because I don't know, it's weird. But as you can see, there's that, and there's that, and there's also another fuse box, and that's like the main fuse box. This is on the, I guess it's called the external, and it is, okay, let me show y'all, because there is one video, but it's done at nighttime and you can't see it. Okay, so here's the motor, and then you have this little panel. This is like where the coolant goes. This is where the power steering goes. You lift this off, and okay, here's your windshield wiper fluid right here. And here is the main fuse box, or whatever it's called, where the relay fuses, or whatever they're, I'm sorry, I don't know the technical terms. There's a diagram, okay, so you can barely see it, but there's a lot of little fuses in there. There's a bunch of relay switches. That is what is like the main one. Like, let me read off some of them to you. So your engine, something about the engine, forgive me, I guess comment below if y'all know what the real name is. Your air conditioner, the, I'm assuming like the wash, maybe that's your wind throttle, MTR. So from what I understand is that there's fuses and then there's relays. Fuses give power, or the fuses give power to the relays. I don't know about all that. I just know that this is what I was looking for, and I couldn't find a diagram on it. But I also wanted, or I couldn't find a video on it, but I also wanted to show y'all there's a third fuse box, and that is located underneath right here. There you have like all the fuses, and here is a diagram for that. Oh wait, it's upside down. And yeah, I mean, I just wanted to show y'all this because like I was looking for a video and I could not find one on it, and